I'm Coach Joan Nelson. I'm the coach of the varsity bowling team, and I've been coaching for 19 years.
My name is Nicholas Thiel. I'm a junior and I'm on the bowling team.
Hi, I'm Gianna Verano. I'm a junior and I'm on the girls varsity bowling team.
Hi, I'm Ashley Palayo. I'm a senior and I'm on the girls varsity bowling team.
Our team goals for this year is to overall get better as a team, go to sections, repeat as champs, and then eventually go to states and hopefully get the win there.
Our team goals for the girls is really just to repeat as the Section 1 champions. They've been the Section 1 champions for the past 16 years. For the boys, I would say our goal is really just to kind of stay within the competition. We have a lot of new bowlers this year, and we just want to stay competitive in the league and do our best at the sections.
What makes the team so special is everyone's unique in their own way, and we all got unique abilities that we could use to really perform out on the lanes.
My name is Don Laspina. I've been coaching the high school team for about 17 years. Well, we don't have a team motto, but I use let the pigeons fly. Get the ball to the pocket, hit the head pin, let them go.
Our coaches has helped us throughout the years. They've never given up on us and they never failed to put a smile on my face.
For me, I love just getting on the lanes, working with a lot of the newer bowlers and seeing them and watching them progress throughout the season.
My favorite thing about coaching is I've been doing it for many years. I've seen progress on all these kids, and I just like giving back to bowling.
Our team is unique from any other team because we show the passion and the fire out on the lanes, and we really set ourselves up for success with all the noise. We give teams a run for their money.